stayed on the grind. Faggy food, take your foot off the clutch. Youngie Dave, Enzi, Youngie Squad, Sibo P, Isugil, Kuzonyi, Zabaki Sango Pipe. I got my foot on the spine. It's about Aki Sango Pipe. Got my foot on the spine. It's about Aki Sango Pipe. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I'm done.
Yang Hlasela lo ubukele UMCIKIDO. Let's go. So ke mina igama lami nguHlasela, but ke igama lokuzalwa kulubabalo fane ngumbhebhe. Ndizalwe ndakhuliswa kwilali ke mina ngapha ayidutywa elota nasebethane. So apha ke ndaze umuve lapha eKapa ke kumsebenzi which is umculo. Igama ke ulalo umculo nguHlasela. Yeah, that's me.
Okay guys, igama nongusibele yabo. Stage name is LeroTheHustler, from eKhayelitsha. Was born and bred up eKhayelitsha kamnake yabo, but ikhaya lengapha ecala eManzimdaka. Yeah,
We are solo artists, right? So yeah, the artist and him, which is uHlasela, which is the brand uHlasela. Then ke ngoku bengumjita, which is Lero. We are not a crew, we are not a group, but we are individuals, artists esisebenzisanayo yabo. So as your crew.
Yeah, we're not a crew, man. I'm also independent, doing my own things in my own way, but yeah, because of umculo yabo, so got to link with uHlasela, and it happened that like since umculo one in a way, which is Xhosa trap, Xhosa wave. So to go deep, Xhosa wave or Xhosa trap, abanye abantu ke bazoyiconfuse yabo, bathi mhlambe sispaza and yonke la way. Yeah, mostly we're using isiXhosa, but since now we're using trap beats, so yonke le nto iyachinja anyway uba isesospaza yabo. But ke abanye abantu bathi sispaza and understanding yabo ufish asuzu-adywisha ngaloo nto yabo. Umuntu ne-opinion yakhe ne-vision yakhe ngayo yonke le nto yabo. So Xhosa wave to us is like we're rapping in Xhosa using trap beats yabo. So that's when the whole thing it changed yabo. So yeah, me and Hlasela ke it happened basidibane, and then safumanisa uba umculo wethu in a way uyadibana and it makes a lot of sense and it's the same sound yabo. But obviously ngendlela yakhe approacha ngayo nami ngendlela yami ndi-approacha ngayo, but when we're in a song together, like lapho sayibona khona uba like sithetha into enye yabo, and sigqithisa ilizwe linye yabo to the community, and making sure uba community nayo iyakhula in a way. So yeah.
So ekwenzeni ke lo mculo esiwenza sobabini, iyeke sabona ohlobo atsho Lero into yoba okay umculo wethu sawubona uyadibana like to create some things which is siqale ngeSingzimos, and then loo nto leyo yiyo ke yazala ke ngo-EP which is we did EP igama layo EMSEBENZINI. So understanding ne-work rate esiyiphuthayo sobabini yabo, which is ngokubona i-commitment yomnye nomnye into yoba okay I can do this, because sometimes you can try to link up with someone but i-energy ayifani yabo. So kwezo energy ke ngoku siye sakwazi ngoba sibhale sikhuphe i-EP yabo. Yeah.
So that's how EMSEBENZINI came. Like it took us a week, right?
A week, but it took us a week to talk about it, okay, to prepare to record it, because I record about 4 at one.
In
one day. So it took us a week to prepare. To record the EP, and then I recorded on a weekend, and then it took another week for the EP to come up. So it could be like 2 weeks in total. So yeah.
Okay. Can I answer that question?
Go on.
Okay. I met Hlasela, I don't know when was it, but via Pisa, and then that's where we like saqala over umculo wethu, because first time Divano Hlasela, he was going to perform and I was performing too in the same venue, so that's when I had umculo kaHlasela, and then naye wava umculo wami, and then we created the friendship between us. Let me not call it friendship, yabo.
Business partner.
Business partner, yabo, let me call it
Yeah,
that way.
business
And
partner.
then we've been talking about ukwenza EP, like collaborate, so by two, yabo. So, and then most of the time when I meet uHlasela, yabo, we don't just chill, sidityaniswa ngumsebenzi, qho ka ndidibana naye, it's either we're shooting a music video, recording, or we're going to perform. So ngumsebenzi wethu as artist lo. So I think to go deeper with it and explain as uba emsebenzini like uphume njani, like it goes straight to that, because most of the time kanti dibana noHlasela sidibaniswa ngumsebenzi, so we're like, okay, let's just call it umsebenzi. And it took us time, it took us time to make sure uba iseyenzeka, but I would say elaa xesha sililindileyo to make sure uba iyenzeka, it also helped us in a way by we came with a beautiful project, a project, and a lot of people relate to the project, and abantu abasaziyo, they know uba like is ngomsebenzi azidlali yabo straight. So that's how this whole thing came,
Yeah, just uku-eda apho ke yabo. So even nengoma ke ngoku, if uyamamela ingoma, mostly it's about i-job, which is isibani yabo. So always emsebenzini, we always raise up into uba umuntu emsebenzini, whatever uyenzayo yabo. So you must do it with a passion, you understand? Because we're all here, we're working like on a different projects, on a different like industries yabo. So wherever okanye whichever isibani osenzayo, you must make sure, you must make sure, because even the EPS people are loving it, loving from ingoma yokuqala eyoma kweyokugqibela, which is ke ngoku akho ngoma, and ingoma zintsha zonke kwi-EP, yabo. So akho mntu ukhethayo, umntu uvela azithande zonke, understand? So because of the energy we put in there, and then the understanding of each other, yabo. So ne-beat selection yethu naye yadibana, yabo. So kakubekho ngoma esinike kwa-problems wapha.
Yeah, man. Yeah, shout outs to everyone who produced the beats for us, man. Shout outs, man. Yeah, well, Shweli Am, Lyrical Audio, Six Sense, D-Boy, whoever, man, was on that project. Shout outs, man. Like
Costa,
shout out to Costa, man. Yeah, we really appreciate Lo. The track list goes like Nkulu Ezayo. So basically Nkulu Ezayo was to let you guys know, that's why it was like the first single, to let you guys like there's a big project coming, boy, especially from me and Hlasela, so hence we called it Nkulu Ezayo. And then the second song was Inhlabi Yahlaba. After Inhlabi Yahlaba we have Bayayazi. After Bayayazi it's Izolo, and after Izolo it's EMSEBENZINI. So yeah, we have 5 songs on that song list.
5 songs.
Yeah, so the first song we recorded on EP was EMSEBENZINI, which is the last song produced by Six Sense from India, man. Shout out Six Sense.
Shout out to Six Sense. So it was the first song, but again we project is a plan by that time, right?
Yeah, we already planned.
So sasinayo inansika igama lenansi, I mean i-plan yokwenza project yonke yabo. And then saqala sarecord emsebenzini, and then I think igama lo deciding which is ukubiza EP.
Yeah, it came from
after the song.
Yeah, the song. Yeah, EMSEBENZINI. Because we sisahlala phansi, and then we discussed about so what are we gonna name the EP. Then xa sesimamele umculo find way one, but mostly sithetha about umsebenzi. So that's when the whole thing came. To be honest with you, we didn't have any problem with that. As umkhulu wami beseyitshilo, like we recorded 4 songs in one day. that shows that we didn't have any problem. Like we were ready, we like
Yeah.
mentally and physically, and the fact that we planned it, before CNs, we planned it. So kange sifumane ingxaki. I won't lie, I won't lie. I won't lie about that. Zange sifumane ingxaki, and then it made life easier because me and Hlasela, we understand each other, so we know by excess sebenza njani, so we didn't have any problem.
Yeah, so not saying it wasn't easy, but yeah, yeah, flow and also supposed to flow ngalo nicely, because if it's sasibhalela apha mos at the same time, which is it's a blessing, like to finish about 4 songs
In one day.
ungakhange uthini ungakhange ugoduke. So yeah, zange siziface ncam ii-challenges like recording it than mhlawumbi ixesha nombani, the thing eyenzekayo ngoku, you understand. That could be only, but to record, which is into iphume kuthi, it was easy in a way. Combine and then the spirit was fine, so we managed to just go up, and then saqaba ingoma eziyi-4 at once. So the project is doing well now outside. Ikhona ku-Instagram, I mean kunantsika ku-SoundCloud. Yeah, ikhona ku-SoundCloud, yeah. I believe it's doing well, and then inhlabe yahlaba ine-visualizer ku-YouTube yenza grand kwasayo. Mna mankeni, I don't think le mhlambi ungangayiface wena ndiyiface mna, but not in a difficult way, but inantsika unkulunkulu came differently, the beat, you understand.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Came differently, like neyakhe into, which is neyakhe feeling, you understand, than most of the beats higher, which is at the trap, like shana ngespeed ke, but unkulunkulu bring like brought inantsika old school feeling, understand, but now we need to go like contently, like singing it
Straight,
deep, you understand, not like into siyanga contently, but this one like yenze uba uqala ucinge before, you understand, uqala ucinge before uyibhalele and stuff, so I think yiyo nje eze ne-dimension e-different kwezinye ezi,
Actually I was gonna say the same thing, because I remember I got the beat, and then I sent it to Hlasela, because when I was listening to the beat I was like, this is not trap, and then it needs someone like who's like poetical in a way. So I was like, okay Hlasela, when I had the beat I was like, I hear you on the hook, and Hlasela got the hook and the whole thing like ngulindezai. So I was like, Hlasela, can you just try and come up with a concept in the hook, and then I'll follow up with the verse. So I would say, but we didn't find it hard, but because the beat was different, and then it needed like special attention.
But again, it was well hanging.
And it's the only song that we recorded at Sports Scene. Shout out to Sports Scene for that.
For the opportunity, man. The producers
and producers.
So
suke yahlala inhlabe yahlaba kuthiwe nomhlaba. That's the one. Inhlabe yahlaba was the one. Inhlabe yahlaba was the one.
And isazosebenza da. Isazosebenza. Ayikasetshenziswa actually. Ayikasetshenziswa, sikhuphile nje asikayisifanisi. People bayibona bayimamela, but asikayisebenzisa isihlobo esapho sisebenza ngayo. So inhlabe yahlaba from a studio, everyone is excited about it. So
when we performed it's
that's only once.
That's once. People went crazy. People went crazy, and people know the song, so so in Inhlabe Yahlaba, now I'll go deep in a way, yabo apekaya mna, yabo like tenjiwe mna bro, apekaya boy, in a way you like said, before Tamkula Masoleke, I was like, okay, since now the hot man the jam, yabo, so Inhlabe apekaya zabandile, so not to say like with disrespect to ama hot man ama madala or yabo, but uba like we go deep in the Xhosa utata or utamkhulu yabo ogqithisa mhlawumbe umkhondo to umuntu ozawuhlaba unika umuntu amthembileyo okanye ezinye ifamily ke zihamba ngoba ngubani omdala komi yabo. So anyway mna like ndiyinhlabi yasekhaya yabo, so that's when the whole concept came, okay inhlabi yahlaba, and then in a way yoba ngoku noba uza ngeyiphi angle wena mntu like ongakho part yale movement awuzulibona because now we deep on this thing, so inhlabi yahlaba yabo isuke yahlala kutyiwe nomhlaba, so like kansithi isuke yahlala, we all know by say like now it's gonna like izoba mosh pit yabo.
Yeah.
So when I say umhlaba, like we out of this world, dlala kwenye league yabo.
Yeah.
So and the sound is different, you know.
Yeah.
It's totally different. It's the sound that you won't get komunye umntu yabo. But if me and Hlasela on the song, and then you're gonna get that sound yabo.
Yeah.
So inhlabi yahlaba isuke yahlala kiwe nomhlaba.
Umhlaba.
Uyavela nomxhaka anyway, yoba umxhaka elokishini they say like umuntu ibharo yabo. So uyavela umxhaka ngoba because lo mxhaka ka understand the lingo that we're using, because we're mixing isiXhosa, strictly Xhosa and Italia sekasi. So umxhaka kazi understand anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, just to add nje yabo, inhlabi like if nalapho ikhona apho sikhoyo nangoku, I understand, which is apha eKapa nasezilalini yabo. So inhlabi ngulaa mntu which is kungenzeki into engekho, like into efuneka ihlatyiwe, you understand.
Komsebenzi ozokwenza.
Yeah, so
Ayivumanga.
ayikwazi uvume ngekho yabo. So inhlabi nguloo mntu lowo ke oye ayovuswa nasekuseni, kukho nemithetho ekusaphose ayilandele, understand, into yoba angathini ezawuthi kusasa, into zungena deep apho. So yabo, so inhlabi nguloo mntu lowo ke obalulekileyo kuloo family, understand, umntu ekuthethwa nayo kwinto yonke ethenjiweyo yabo. Ayazi uba etshilo nogama into uba uthenjiwe kowabo, that's why ye wakwazi uba inhlabi yabo. So umntu onjalo ke umntu owenza izinto like sober minded, you understand. So inhlabi yahlaba ke ngoku came to us as like that, not that we're explaining that, but thina as thina ke ngoku inhlabi yahlaba, which is ke ngoku which is nalapha emculweni, you understand. So the importance of us like being involved emculweni yabo. So nathi sizinhlabi ke ngoku kwezethu indawo, you understand. Yeah. Hayi le EP like siyenze like ine reason yokuba okay, we felt like now it's time, because besikade sifeaturishana yabo, feature siphinde siyodibana kwenye ingoma yomnye umntu, you understand. But we thought like okay, now because ibakho ixesha, you understand, xa wenza umculo ibakho ixesha uba into uyibone uba alikafiki ixesha layo uba uyenze yabo. So yonke into iye yadibana ngohlobo esebenza ngalo apha ezindleleni zethu, into yoba kufikelela ixesha into yoba now sibone uba si-ready for inantsika iprojekthi edibeneyo. So I think that's the other reason, which is lixesha esiye saqhuba ngalo usebenza lade lazosifikelelisa into yoba now it's time uba senze i-EP. Yeah.
I think umkhulu wabeke acaca wonke. Just to add nam apho yabo, I think spending ixesha elininzi with uHlasela and understanding uHlasela uba ungumntu onjani, and then Hlasela understanding me uba ndingumntu onjani, especially emculweni yabo. It did have a like effect on us yabo, basenze the project as babesitsho umkhulu uba it's time yabo, like bese kufikelela xesha ngo like ba no, let's just do it, you know. It's gonna change iways ezininzi, and fish is changing a lot of things, and sisenkulu into ezizayo, ingacifa uba ibiphelile ebhala nkulu into ezayo,
inkulu into ezayo, it's not just a song. Kukho into egapha kulaa gama lalaa ngoma, then wena ungafocasa kulaa ngoma igama lale ngoma it's broad yabo. Inkulu into ezayo bra yabo, people can keep like bahlale bejongile yabo. There's a lot coming, there's a lot isethi siqalo le-EP actually yabo. There's a lot ezizayo ta, a lot,
especially for me
yabo. So can't name it now, can't say anything for now yabo. Focus here emsebenzini, inkulu into ezayo, inhlabi yahlaba yabo. So enye yonke into izawuhamba ireview ngexesha layo, understand.
I think different flavors okokuqala yabo, because if usebenza nabantu abayi-one okokoko, then you're gonna sound the same okokoko yabo. So I think different flavors from different people, especially internationally yabo, because now like we have 6 Cents yabo on the project of Fish. They give us different flavor yabo to what we are doing tina, and then balekile like to have like abanye abantu who brings different flavor to what you like uqhelene nayo uyenza yabo. So and surely am gave us like the beat for Bayayas, and it's a different flavor too, you know. So I would say different flavors did help us a lot in terms of working with Ababandu, and mostly Abandu who produced the beats on the on the EP, it's not like abantu siqhele usebenza nabo gogo yabo. So it's also good to give other people opportunities yabo na ta. So yeah, I would say that, you know.
Yeah, and then it's only producers esifane nazo yabo.
Yeah.
So akho rapper, akho vocalist or anything yabo, because sisebenze sodwa, which is kwi-writing zangoma. So akho artist featurishiweyo than producers yabo. And then it was mixed and mastered by uGambo yabo. It was mixed and mastered up kuthi, understand. So sizenzele
Yeah, we
actually.
didn't go out.
Yabo.
Because we felt like abanye abantu abazu understand what we're trying to hlanganisa yabo, because it's something endithethe nayo ngayo noHlasela. We didn't like take it outside ba sesicinga ukwenza into ethile yabo, sifaka omnye. Hence abantu abaninzi bebe surprised about it, but yo, he says dikse uHlasela noLero yabo. So into bendincokola nayo mntana mostly yabo. So omnye umuntu bengazuyi understand,
because bakhona amaxesha mhlawumbe ufeaturishe umuntu yabo, and then okanye afeaturishe wena, but ke ngoku umuntu anganantsiki, anga-turn up okanye angaveli to the point ubumfuna ngayo mhlawumbe xa ibhala loo nto leyo yabo. Ngoku koba nzima ke ngoku mhlawumbe nomxelela into yoba yekuse into yakho ayiniki le nto bendiyifuna yabo, and then you're not going to be in love with your song anymore, you understand. So we thought lena mhlawumbe let's just do it. It's not like asizosipana namntu like going forward yabo, but lena yayithetha nathi engaphakathi kuthi. So that's why it was also easy for ukuyibhala okanye for ukuyirekhoda yonke into yayo yabo. It was easy for thina because we understand inantsika itask uba sifuna ukuthini yabo. So than into uba utitshe omnye umuntu ongaphandle uba umfake kule ngqondo kuyo, you understand. So that's why siye asafeaturisha mntu, you understand.
Motivation, firstly,
motivation
yabo. Especially if you're from the cast. You're from the cast, you yabo, like HlaselaEcpt yabo. HlaselaEcpt kasi, we're not in suburbs. So motivation yabo. Akolula, we all know nakuthi bengakolula to get here yabo, like umsebenzi yabo, like to get up and spane every day ungalahli ithemba, uyazi bayisele we benefaith bayizokwenzeka le nto yabo. It might take 5, 10, 15 years yabo, we don't know nathi bayisese asikafiki kule ndawo sifuna uba kuyo yabo, but we still yabo we're gunning for whatever that we want to achieve life in. But laa nto iyasimotiveyitha nathi because imotiveyitha abanye abantu from the kasi yabo. Kukho abantu abasuka baze kuthi basixelele uba how they feel about umculo wethu and indlela abajonge lukhulu ngayo kuthi yabo. So umsebenzi was like blessing them with the motivation and and the faith uba ungalahli ithemba, faith yenzeka le wethu, wena phakama xa uhambe uyosebenza. That's it.
So yes, bayitshilo umtshitya, it's more like that, more like ukumotivate, understand. If you committed, you understand, abantu babe committed, like into uba okay xa usithi ufuna ukwenza, akho mntu ungenokwazi ukwenza i-EP, I can do EP ndedwa, can do EP yedwa yabo. So nathi saqonda masidibanele lesiyenze because it's possible. We have resources, we have i-skill yabo, we have abantu bebeats abazokwazi usinceda yabo. So sipromota nentsebenziswane, understand, because the minute nisebenzisana ungafuni usebenza wedwa or something, ufuna uqama wedwa ube phezulu wedwa, but uzoba lonely pha phezulu, you understand. So you need to work with people, you understand, so that nikwazi ugrowa nonke, you understand. So it's more like that. So sikhuthaza naleyo kwabanye abantu uba bakwazi usebenzisana nabantu, you understand, sibhilde sonke, sikhuleni sonke, you understand, uba siyatyeka apha masityeni, you understand. Ungafuni utya wedwa umzekelo mhlawumbe, then because xa ubuya ngapha mhlawumbe ngakubuya sikuqumbele, you understand. And then ke ngoku ngoku sasebenzela thina ufike siyimbumba ngolaa hlobo ushiye sililo, and then ingaba ingxaki ngoba ngathi nguwokhethiweyo, you understand, ngelo xesha wazikhetha wena ngokwakho ebantwini. So iproject yethu is all about that, into yoba sikhuthaza abantu uba basebenzisane. Qala mandikho apha emculweni ne apha emculweni ngabantu abaphumeleleyo that motivates me yabo, that keep me up, because I want to go forward, you understand. So I'm looking up to abantu aba already phambi kwam, which is kuthiwa into libuzwa kwabaphambili ibuzwa inyathi ibuzwa kwabaphambili ne. so ndifuna uyobuza kubo kwenziwa njani ukuze kuthi yabo, ndifuna uba phaa okanye nam apho kuzawubuzwa kum ngabalandelayo into yoba, you understand. So yeah, I'm motivated by people who are positive, people who are going forward, you understand, people who know uba bafuna ntoni, you understand. So that's what motivates me, which is apha emculweni, because there are a lot abantu abaphumeleleyo nalapha eKapa na-everywhere yabo, mhlawumbi nangapha phesheya, you understand, but ii-moves zomntu which is as positive nezimotivateayo. Yeah.
The motivation behind yonke lo msebenzi simenzayo and what kept me going, yabo, I would say is the response from people who are listening to my music, yabo, because you know when you're working and then abantu abas-appreciate isipani sakho okanye abantu abasiva ngeli hlobo isipani sakho wena ubusikhupha ngalo, and then iyatyhafisa anyway laa nto, yabo. But ke ever since like my first drop, which is Ungalahli Ithemba featuring Uziya, people like abadiga isipani sam kept on texting, showing love, sharing my music. So yanimotivate laa nto anyway yoba say okay Lero bayireceiva ngeli hlobo ubuyipicturisha ngayo le. So just keep on going, you know, just keep on giving them a sound, yabo, that's gonna make sense to them, yabo, a sound ezaba motivator, a sound ezothi xa beyimamele bathi kuse kodwa uLero with this line and this line, or with this verse umjida changed a lot life in him, yabo. So that motivates me a lot, yabo, and I'm still going forward, man. I'm not gonna stop.
We go down.
I'm not gonna stop.
Go.
Just know back say emculweni akho retirement.
Nah.
Yabo. Nobu now na 99 you can still. So I won't stop. I think the only time I'll stop is when I'm going down the grave. Yeah.
Till forever.
Hey, it means a lot, yabo. And the way yoba now when they talk about the movement in Cape Town, amagama corn.
Yeah.
So obviously we're gonna feel good about it, yabo. Not to say wonke ukuthi saziwa ndawo yonke, but when they talk about Cape Town, yabo, they know we there, yabo, like they know Hlasela, they know me. So it's like a good feeling. And I would say if you sleeping ngeli xesha eKapa kusenzeka izinto, like uyazilimita anyway yoba ikise abantu abaninzi bajonge eCape Town. And shout out to whoever, man, who made it possible, yabo. I want to cap, shout out to the Bravos, shout out to the Decolas, shout out to whoever who made it possible, yabo. And I'm really glad and happy to be part of yonke le nto yenzekayo in Cape Town. So yeah.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, bra, yabo. It means a lot. It means a lot because dala mhlambi, yabo, izinto zazingenzeki ngohlobo senzeka ngalo apha eCape Town, yabo. I-movement okanye i-culture ye-hip hop okanye ezinye izinto nje edibene ne-culture ibingathi kwezinye ii-provinces, because abantu bebede bamove up from apha eKapa baye kwezinye iindawo just into yoba bayorecognizwa nabo, yabo. But now iCape Town iyakwazi uziphulela apha izinto, yabo. People now from kweza province yayikade kusiwa kubo qha ukuze kwenzeke i-way for wena bafuna ukuze Kapa, you understand. So ke ngoku kumandi man uba lapha ngoku kwenzeka eziweyi and nawe uphinde ube yipart ye-movement okanye uphinde ube yipart ye-culture into eyenzekayo, which is ke ngoku we hear people know uba silapha, yabo. So it feels like good into yoba nathi sibe khona ngoku kwenzeka le way, yabo, which is isebenzela ukuze sibe lapha, you understand. So obviously xa sekumandi kanje because naxa kukubi imosi, you understand, into yoba uba ngathi kusakuze kwenzeka nto, so nakumnandi ke ngoku funeka uvele uba wonwabile, you understand, wonwabile. So we are happy bra to be here kokwenzeka le way, and then we planning into yoba sihlale apha ngo-forever, no going back, yabo. So we here yabo. So esibayithini Lero, yabo, if uthetha ngoHlasela mhlawumbi usePhilippi, they will know uHlasela uthetha ngoLero wewe ukwalanga, they will know, you understand. So which is, it feels good ke ta because we here siyaziwa nalapha nakwezinye ii-provinces. So we are part of the culture actually. So we are happy da.
To be honest with you, I'm like say, khona ego ezikhoyo, yabo, khona beef ezikhoyo. I know that's part of hip hop. We're doing hip hop at the end of the day, I know, but I feel like we as Kosonke man, yabo, in a way, yabo. Like if we can find that unity, yabo, if we can find, I won't say just liking the way till, but if Tina we can find that unity, yabo, singabe sibhifana, sidisana, or say things behind each other, I think that will help us a lot, because that we can do a lot of things, yabo. Remember, it's different people doing different music, and in a way we're doing hip hop, so it's gonna link, obvious, yabo. Just imagine, but see if mhlambi we had a lot of like EP, if like we had like a chance to work with whoever that we feel like we can work with, yabo, we know sound anjani. But now you only hear isource yam no Hlasela on the project, yabo.
Yeah.
Not to say we did it because abanye abantu asifuni kanye bebengafuni by part of it, but if we can find that unity among us, I think it's gonna help us a lot, yabo, because ngoku abantu baphuma emacaleni bazenzela ibiza bemacaleni, yabo, office nalapha yikho ayo-way wrong, but if you can work, bring what you have, I bring what I have, and then say dibanise, yabo, it's becoming bigger, Louis, yabo.
Yeah.
Because I have mhlambi a mic and what and PC, you bring your camera, you bring your ndondoni, now nomnye na uza ne brand yakhe ndondoni, when we shooting, yabo, sinxibisole siya like senyusana sonke, sisebenzisana sonke, yabo.
Yeah.
So I think we're only lacking on that, but it's gonna happen, I don't know when, and it's not easy to switch ingqondo yomnye abanye abantu, fish.
Yeah, because kaloku uzama umtshintsha mhlawumbi, because ingqondo azifani, yabo. So umuntu ugrand yena uba yedwa, nohlobo esikhule ngalo asikhulanga ngokufana, understand. So just as utshilo Lero, it's about intsebenziswano man. We just need intsebenziswano, so that's sawina. Nee-awards zike zize ngapha man, nee-awards zike ziwele zizoqubha apha elwandle, you understand. So it's about intsebenziswano da. That's all that needed, into yoba okay kuphushwe kakhulu kwicala layo, yabo. Otherwise italent is here, akho nto ingekhoyo eKapa, yabo. So idinga nje uba sisebenzisane qha.
That sets me apart from other
But they're a
artists.
difficult question.
It's not difficult. I would say now I've listened to a lot of people, especially in Cape Town, who are doing like exactly the same sound that we're doing. I would say that from my side, I will talk from my side. From my side, I think storytelling.
Yeah.
Storytelling. I think when I'm telling a story, I stick straight to the story and pull me pin. Yeah, but like I don't confuse you when you're listening to what what I'm saying. I mean, if from the first word to the last word, I'll tell you, but don't lose hope. And yeah, man, I think storytelling side of the whole thing here, I think from my side, especially in Xhosa, yabo, ndibetha ngelwimi lam, so I use noba liliphi igama endifuna ulisebenzisa nangeliphi na indlela, ayiniki bunzima, yabo.
And your stories are true.
True story. Yeah, I think true story.
Icala lam, I think into endithi mhlawumbi indenza ndohluke, ndim mna, I understand. NdinguHlasela ndiphinde ndibe igama lam elokuzalwa, yabo. So akho different. So akho different kum, yabo. Even if undifind endlini, I'm speaking the same endithetha ngayo kwi-rap, you understand. Mna mandithi ndiphila kumculo wam, you understand. Andina-characters for into yoba xa undifayinda okanye udibana nam endleleni you'll find someone who's differ from umculo wakhe. No, the energy, ndisengulaa mntu umva phaa emculweni, understand. Laa mntu umpicturisha mhlawumbi, andinotsho into yoba uthi xa ufika umama emculo wam qonda, yho, lo mntu kanti unje lo wenza umculo onje, understand. I'm the same, I'm the same. I'm humble if I'm humble, I'm rude if I'm rude, you understand. So ngohlobo wena ondibona ngalo, you understand, ndinjalo mna, yabo. So ndinguloo mntu ndinguye emculweni wam, andina-characters, you understand? And then when I write umculo and write about what's happening, I don't create stories like izinto zobhabha, you understand, and ndithethe ngezinto impossible, you understand? So I talk what I see, I talk what I feel, you understand? So yeah,
Yeah.
low.
Hey, from my side, from my side, I would say there's something coming, but I won't tell what's it. Yeah, but, and I won't tell by when is it coming, but there's something coming. Yeah, but as
Yeah.
Babi Sichulu Mkoluba, la inkulu ndezayo don't mean only for EP.
Nah.
Yeah, but like just keep on ujonga wena, yeah, but
Stay
keep in
glued.
touch, yeah, but
Stay
man
glued.
check about what's
Yeah.
happening. But there's something that's coming from her side. Khonman is gonna gonna say from his side.
nakum kunjalo yabo. Ndingayikhwazi ngekaphumi engqoweni, you understand? So otherwise ukhona umculo ozayo mninzi kakhulu, you understand? It could be a project, it could be a single, but as soon as everything ibhalwa phansi okanye i-preparation yadone, it's lapho ke ngoku izawuinforma wonke umntu, because if ngoku ndibiza ngee-dates ezingekabikho, yabo, so the sooner kubekho i-dates, everyone will know into uba umculo uphuma nini. And also there's still lot bra from us, you understand?
From us.
So mninzi nomculo oza between us, you understand? So
Visuals.
visual, everything. Nale interview nezinye interviews ziyeza, yabo. But if kukho into ezayo which siyayibona uba okay ikutyiwe into yayo, you will know either kum okanye kumjita okanye i-collective project, yabo. So uzawuyiva into uba ikhona into ezayo. But there is a lot, nkulu bra. There is a lot.
Nkulu ndezayo.
Bigger.
And then,
Bigger that.
where do we find the EP, and then where do we find you guys as well, also on the social media?
Okay, on social media, Facebook, Zibele, LeroTheHustler Mnanzana. On Instagram, it's LeroTheHustler. Unfortunately, I'm not on Twitter. And on TikTok, I'm also LeroTheHustler, but I'm not cool with TikTok. But yeah, you'll find my stuff there. And then UMCIKIDO project, you can find it on SoundCloud. I will just search the EMSEBENZINI EP, HlaselaEcpt, you'll find it. And we're still gonna drop it, man, on other platforms.
Yeah, because I want to buy a phone.
Yeah, we're still gonna drop it on other platforms, but we just like trying to hlanganisa ways ninja. But as soon as we're done with that, just remember we're independent, so we're doing yongele way from our pockets. So yeah, man.
Yeah. So inantsika ifumaneka ku-SoundCloud as bayitshilo, and then kubekho inantsika i-visualizer ka intlaba yahlapha kufacebook, inantsika ku-YouTube. So mna ungandifumana kufacebook, ungandifumana ku-YouTube, ungandifumana ku-Instagram, ku-Twitter, it's HlaselaEcpt, HlaselaEcpt, kuzo zonke.
Nguzibele mna LeroTheHustler stage. You're watching UMCIKIDO, man. You know what it is.